like I'm missing something in the research. There's something I'm just not seeing. Look, if this is the blood, okay, can you just tell me what that is? Because I was trying to get into this earlier, but somebody stopped me. He gave me the hairy eyeball, that guy actually.
Hold that thought.
Sure. Laura's reporting a 202 anomaly, possibly heading our direction.
Is it coming here?
God, I hope not. Oh, shit! How far away are we talking about?
Hey, what's happening?
Proximity alert. Bogey's inbound. Range 200 miles.
Lock it down.